In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Samsung phone password fixable. Mostly when you want to type password on Samsung phone online, or when you want to type your Samsung phone unlock passcode or PIN, your Samsung phone PIN or password will not be fixable. However, there is a workaround the Samsung phone settings that can allow you to make Samsung phone password fixable. To do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings, scroll down to security and privacy and click on that. Now, once you click on that, scroll down and click on more security settings. Now, scroll down and tap make password fixable. Once you key in this feature and you made the password fixable on your Android phone, then go back to your Android phone or lock this Android phone home screen and then swipe up, try to type in your passcode. You can see the password is now fixable. So whenever you're trying to type in your passcode or password on Samsung device, either online or offline, your password will be made fixable. So this is how to make Samsung phone password fixable. If this is helpful, if you want to hit level, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.